So we're gonna dial in grind settings. We've got our portafilter tear down, and we're shooting for 18 grams based on 2.8 seconds. So 2.8 seconds and measuring it out, we've got 19.8 grams in there. So assuming that our shot times might be too quick anyways, we're going to make the grind finer so that we can reduce the amount of coffee that gets ground in the 2.8 seconds. So to do that, we unlock this nut right here and we spin this until the triangle lines up. Now let's just make a big adjustment and go to 8 so you can see the difference. And then we'll lock this back down. Tear out the portafilter. I'm gonna just purge the grinder and see where we're at with that grind setting. So swinging it that far, you can see we've got over 2 grams of coffee difference just by adjusting the grind setting.